Met with Mr. Baumhofer.
Greetings, third graders. Mr. Baumhofer here with another video on measurement. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about units of volume for liquid for the metric system. To start, one of the smallest units of volume for the metric system is the milliliter. Okay, and this I have here is a vial from my son's science kit, and it is actually a 10 milliliter vial. So it will hold 10 milliliters, and I've kind of shaded in brown how much 1 milliliter of water would be, or liquid, in this vial, and that's right here. Okay, so this will hold 10 of those, would hold 10 of these brown sections in it of liquid. Okay, now the base unit of measurement for liquid in the metric system is the liter, and this is a 1 liter container that I found in my Tupperware. Okay, and this will hold 1 liter of liquid. I also found another container. This will hold 2 liters. So this one, 2 of these will fit in this. This is the base unit of measurement for metric. And if we remember about metric, it all uses the same prefixes, such as milli, centi, deci, deca, kilo, or kila, right? Kilo, I believe. So for metric units of liquid, we do the same thing, and liters are the base unit we start with. For length, we use meters, but we'll get into that in a different video. So right now, I'm just going to show you a couple visuals I posted on a Google Doc to help you guys out, and I'll guide you through them. So when we talk about volume, we're talking about capacity, and now we already went over in other videos our customary units of capacity. Gallon. Gallons can be broken up into 4 quarts. A quart can be broken up into 2 pints. And a pint can be broken up into 2 cups. And a cup can be broken up into fluid ounces. For metric units of capacity, here we have milliliter, okay, and liter. For this video, we'll just focus on those 2. But remember, metric is base 10. Okay, try to remember your base 10 lessons that from Miss Von Huben. Okay, so when we do base 10, we're either multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10 to get from one unit to the next. So the milliliter is a small unit of volume for liquid in the metric system. There are smaller, but for now, that will be the smallest we're dealing with. The liter is the base unit of volume for liquid in the metric system. 1 liter is 10 times 10 times 10, or 1,000 milliliters worth of liquid. So that would be 100 of those vials I showed you to fill up 1 liter of liquid. So if we work out the math, we would find that if we started at milliliters here, we would have to multiply 10 times 10 to get to 100, and then we multiply 100 times 10 to get to 1,000 milliliters worth of liquid. All right, guys, so try to find some containers around your homes that you can find the labels where it says how many liters it holds, how many milliliters it holds. And then I want you guys to think about some containers in your house, and they could be large containers, and what would you use to fill them up? What unit of measurement would you use? Would you use milliliters to fill up a kitchen sink? Would you use liters to fill up a kitchen sink? Would you use milliliters to fill up a syringe or a container for medicine, say you were taking some medicine, would you use milliliters or liters to measure that in? I just want to show you guys right at the end here a quick visual of the difference between metric and customary. This is a cool visual I found of the customary units of measurement for liquid. The big G represents the gallons, the 4 Q's represent the quarts, and each quart can hold 2 letter P's, which represent pints, and each letter P can hold 2 letter C's, which represent cups. And I want you guys to pay close attention to the difference. Okay, metric, a little bit easier to figure out from small units of measurement to large units of measurement because it is base 10. Whereas with the customary, we kind of have to figure things out a little differently because it's a different unit of measuring or a system of measuring. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more.